In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a passport-size photo using Canva, which will be a quick and easy tutorial that you can follow in just a couple of minutes. First, you want to head over to the Canva website and log into your account. If you haven't signed up yet, you'll need to do so to access Canva's design tools. Once you're logged in, you'll be on the dashboard, which is where all the design magic begins. Next, direct your attention to the area just beneath the search bar on the dashboard. You'll see an option to click a custom size icon. This is your starting point to create a design with specific dimensions. Passport photos typically require a specific size, so let's set ours to the standard 35mm by 45mm, making sure the units are in millimeters. With that done, you can click on Create New Design to proceed. Once your new design is open, navigate to the top left corner of the screen. Click on File, which will give you a drop-down menu, and from there, select Settings. One of the critical parts of this process is ensuring your photo has the right margins. So, click on Show Margins. This feature will guide you in ensuring all elements are neatly contained within your design without anything important getting cut off during the printing process. For a higher level of precision in your printing, you should also enable Print Bleed. This step helps ensure that important parts of your photo are included, extending your design slightly beyond its intended trim edge. Now, it's time to add some structure to our design. On the left-hand menu, click on Elements, and then add a square shape to your design. This shape will help create the borders. To enhance this feature, click on Stroke Style for borders and set the stroke weight to 0.5, giving it a subtle yet defined edge. You'll want to click on Color and adjust the color of the shape to make it transparent. This change ensures that your border won't obscure any part of your photo. You can then resize and reposition the shape to form a neat border. Ensure this border is perfectly aligned within the middle of the print bleed and margin area. To make sure everything is aligned correctly, click Position, then choose Middle and Center. This action ensures your photo is perfectly centered within the design. Now, let's add that all-important image. Navigate to the Uploads tab on the left side menu where you can drag or select the photo you'd like to use. If you need to remove the background, Canva offers a handy tool called BG Remover. This is particularly useful for passport photos where a plain background is required. With your image in place, you may need to resize or reposition it, using cropping if necessary, to fit perfectly within the border. Don't forget to remove the margin guides before you save and finalize your photo. Once everything looks good, go ahead and save your image. Congratulations, you've successfully created a passport-size photo using Canva.